Where in the hell am I?
What up you will answer my answer and you need answer them correct.
Is this some sort of jigsaw kind of crap?
Kinda. Anyway, let's begin. What do you call a fish we know I?
I assent that literally just a riddle.
Shut up and answer, you cantaloupe.
FSH.
It's actually fish, but you let that slide.
Does that mean I'm free to go?
No, anyways, next question. What is ugly and fat?
Your MOM.
It's actually myself, but close enough. Anyways, next question. Who is more handsome, me or my brother?
You guys literally look the same.
Our hats are different.
No, they aren't.
Just answer.
You?
Incorrect, loser. Anyway, let's make out.